At the beginning of 2024, we showed you a vision, a glimpse of how AI could transform the way MedTech companies manage sales, service, and installed base. Back then, it was only a concept running on external GPT models and utilizing OpenAI tools. Today, that future is no longer a theory. AI is now becoming a real integrated part of Healtek, working directly with your live data without need to send them to cloud. We are bringing technology into production that changes how distributors and manufacturers operate. Hidden revenue inside your installed base instantly uncovered by AI. Years of service history summarized into clear upsell and renewal opportunities. Invoices, orders, delivery notes, data extracted automatically, no manual typing is necessary anymore. Public tenders arriving into your inbox every day. AI reads them, classifies them, and alerts you to the ones that really matter. Service routes optimized automatically for your technicians in seconds. And most importantly, a human language interface that understands your business questions and gives you answers directly from your Healtek data. This is not a demo. This is not a prototype. This is a production AI built into Healtek for real companies solving real bottlenecks. And because we want our most ambitious customers to stay ahead, we are launching the AI upgrade package with a very limited rollout window. If you commit this December, you lock last year's pricing even for 2026 and book your AI implementation slot in first quarter 2026. For MedTech companies, this is a genuine chance to gain first mover advantage. The earlier you start, the sooner your team learns and the faster you'll feel the impact of productivity to your customer satisfaction and competitiveness, as well as your company performance. If you want to be among the first to use AI directly inside Healtek, just reply and I'll walk you through the next steps. Let's build the future of your MedTech business together.